Let's make this quick okra soup. Here I have my pepper mix. I also have my locust bean, also known as iwu in my area, some African snails, some whole okra, some fresh crayfish, some mackerel, giant prawns, seasoning cubes, some dry fish, and also some onions. Feel free to use whatever ingredients that are available to you. Please do well to like this video and subscribe. Here I just cook my African snails with onions, some seasoning cubes, and the pepper mix. Some of the pepper mix you saw earlier. Okay, this okra soup is for those who just want to just choose something. For example, on this day I didn't want to just make a proper soup. I just wanted something nice, something simple that I can snack on, and this okra soup was perfect. Here you can see my snail as released all of its juice, all of its flavor. Then I took that out and then introduced my palm oil to my pot. Then I fried my onions for a while before adding the pepper mix you saw me blending earlier. I want to quickly note that do not use a whole lot of pepper mix, especially when you're using a little amount of okra. Why? Because if you use a large amount of pepper mix, it will overshadow the okra. It will now become okra stew instead of okra soup. Here you can see I've added the locust beans, and now I'm adding my fresh mackerel fish. At this point I added the remaining snails, the dry fish, and then some water so that this can cook properly. Please, if you're yet to like this video, please do well to like this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section, do you also make this ofen lacha, this kind of okra soup that you can just sit down and just be eating it without swallow? I make them a lot, so let me know if you do make them in the comment section. Here I added the stock you saw me extracting earlier, and you can see that the fish has cooked properly. It has released all of its juices, and then I added my roughly pounded crayfish and my dry prawns. I don't joke with dry prawns in my meals, okay? I added the dry prawns and I allowed this simmer for a while. This has cooked for a while, and the next thing I'm adding is my grated okra and some uziza leaf. I forgot to introduce my uziza leaf earlier, but if you want a banging, super banging okra soup, always use uziza leaf or washed bitter leaf. Okay, it gives your okra soup this authentic, flavorful, and a little bitter flavor that you will really like. So at this point, if this okra soup is too thick for you, you can add water. But for me, this is how I like my okra soup. Very, very thick. Okay, I know you're already imagining how you will swallow this okra soup with your fufu, with your pounder yam, and all that good stuff. But for me, I enjoyed mine with some hot African fufu. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.